Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuides. Today I will show you how to place text behind an image in Canva. So let's start. First of all, head on to Canva from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Over here, I am in Canva workspace and you can see here this is my image. First of all, I will click on this image and go to edit photo. Then over here, I will choose remove background. And you can see here background of our image is removed. Then again, I will choose the same image and place it over the previous one. And you can see here, I have placed this in front of the previous image. Then I'll go to position and move this image backward. Now, you can see here our previously removed background image is also here. After that, I'll type T for text and write my text. I'll write hiking, H-I-K-I-N-G, hiking. Then I will change font. Now I will choose okay, this is okay for me. Then I will resize it to 150 and change its color to white. You can see here I have one good looking text. Then I will position it to center. After that I will go to position and move it backward. Now we can see here I have successfully added text behind object in Canva. So in this way we can add text behind object in Canva. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.